Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. 10 benefits of potato juice for overall health. Potatoes have an impactful usage in everyone's diet. But, did you know about the beneficial impacts the juice of a potato has on one's overall health? Potato juice is loaded with beneficial nutrients. Potato juice is loaded with a wide range of nutrients, including vitamin B and C and minerals like iron, potassium, calcium, and iron and even copper, which is good for the body. The health benefits of potato juice are profound. From positively influencing your overall health to boosting the hair and skin health, the plethora of positive impacts is what makes it so amazing. Let us dive into the benefits of potato juice, shall we? Acid reflux. Potatoes are highly alkaline, which helps neutralize the excess acid formation and help in relieving the condition of acid reflux. Prevents cancer. Potatoes are loaded with beneficial vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which have been proven to have positive impacts on the overall proliferation of the cancer cells. Aids weight loss. Potato juice is loaded with vitamin C, which has beneficial impacts in boosting one's overall metabolism that have positive impacts on weight loss. Cures arthritis. Potatoes are loaded with beneficial anti-inflammatory properties which aid in getting rid of the swelling, inflammation and associated pain one feels due to arthritis. Boosts the immune system. The essential antioxidants in the potato juice actually do aid in preventing excess and unwanted free radical damage, which is often the primary contributing factor to boosting the overall immune system. Lowers cholesterol level. The combination of minerals and vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and even the fiber content in the potato juice aid in lowering the alarming levels of cholesterol in the body. Relieves constipation. The fibers in the potato juice help in bulking up the stool, which further aid in easy defecation, which is often restricted when one suffers from constipation. Heals wounds. Vitamin C in the potato juice not just imposes its beneficial antioxidant properties and helps in the overall process of scar healing, boosting the overall process of bone growth and repair. Relieves gout. Apart from the anti-inflammatory properties, the consumption of potato juice is also associated with lowering the excess secretion of uric acid in the joints. Heals sciatica. Potato juice is loaded with beneficial anti-inflammatory properties which are effective in getting rid of the pain and any kind of associated inflammation that accompanies the condition. Potato juice is beneficial for boosting one's overall health. Even if the taste might not be ideal, it is actually quite a good enough option to ponder around if you want to boost your body's overall functioning and also promote better skin and hair health. Join our WhatsApp subscription for latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.